Hello guys, this lesson is for Wednesday, April 1st, the area of a parallelogram via trigonometry. Okay, it's very similar to the lesson from the previous day for triangle, but this time we are just dealing with parallelograms. Okay, so review again for the original area formula. A is just equal to base times height, okay? Because if you look at the base, which is right here, okay? The height is just going straight down, right? That's the h of it. Think about this triangle right here. I can easily move it and fit it right here, okay? And then if I move the triangle to over here, you would see a rectangle is formed, and we just need to really multiply their length times width, which in this case is b and h. Okay, so that's how the formula of a parallelogram, area of parallelogram is formed. Okay, I'm gonna erase this real quick. So since we only need the base and the heights again, we don't need the half this time. I'm gonna go straight into if we have a parallelogram and we are given the two sides. So I have an A here and I have a B here. Okay, the two sides must be the adjacent side. Okay, these two must be adjacent. Adjacent, again, it means next to each other. So as long as you have two sides that are next to each other and you have an angle, theta in this case, is in between of your A and B, then this formula can apply. Area of a parallelogram, I'm gonna just show the picture, is A equal little a times little b times sine theta. Okay, so this is the formula. So let's go ahead and do one question and two of your homework questions. So let's look at find the value of b if a equals to 4, v equals to 135 degrees, and the area of the parallelogram equals 7. Okay, and definitely you need to know where these items are at. So I think the picture that they give you the most, if this is A, this is A, this is B, B, and you have U and V right here. Okay, so we really only need our A, B, and our V. Okay, go ahead and substitute all your information. We got our equal sign, number. So let's see if we need any of these parentheses. Area is 7. A is 4. We don't know B yet, so we're just going to keep B there. And 135 goes into the sign for theta. And since we're dealing with degree, make sure you turn your calculator to degree, and move your items to the other side so we can solve for B. So if you look at where B is at, I can actually move everybody else by dividing 4 sine 135 over to the left side. And move those, get rid of the 4, get rid of the sine 135. And remember, when you put it in the calculator, remember to give a big parentheses for the denominator, or else your answer would be different. So your answer right here, you should have gotten b equals to 2.47. Okay, next I'm going to do 2 of your homework questions. So I'm going to do number 16 and 22. Number 16, you are given lengths 3 and 12, and you're given an angle at pi over 3 radian. So if I have to rewrite my formula, a equals to ab sine theta, let's just substitute our information in there. We got our 3 and 12. Oh yeah, the question is asking to solve for area. Okay, so we're just going to put the a there. And then sine theta is pi over 3. It's in radians, so make sure you put your calculator in radian. And if you put everything in your calculator, you should have gotten 31.18. All right, number 22. Find the value of u in radian. That means we're looking for the angle. If b equals to 6, c equals to 4, and the area of parallelogram equals to 19. Okay, so substitute, we got 19 equals 6. So the numbers either equals, it equals to B and equals to C. It doesn't really matter. So just keep those numbers there, 6 and 4, and sine theta. Okay, so move your items to the other side. We got 19 over 24 and inverse sine of that. You should have gotten 0.91. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. It's kind of short, but your homework is going from 14 to 26 even. Page 463. And I'm gonna just let you know real quick, your answer to 24 is 162.54. So try to see if you can show your work to get to that answer. Okay, have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions.